This thought for North Main Extension has been around for a long time. I'd like to see this as an extension, a walkway type park where people can just come through and enjoy it. You can see behind me, this connects to one of our parks that's right next to the river, and then that connects onto the Aztec Ruins, which is a national monument. That's the first phase, and then the second phase we'd like to see is commercial infill with the private property that's off to the sides of the projects. And we'd like to see, whatever the private sector would like to bring in, but we would like to see like hotels and entities that would service towards the use of the river.
Right now, we're kind of touching up some landscaping and polishing up a bunch of the sidewalk and asphalt work and getting ready to cut the ribbon. Right where the project butts up against existing businesses, we've got a pedestrian plaza that's set up. There's power, there's shade trellises, there's everything that they would want to be able to have an event hosted there. Both bike lanes and separate sidewalks running the entire length of the project, several parcels slated for future build out and development. A roundabout, I believe, is the city of Aztec's first roundabout that we got to design and analyze and make sure that it was going to be ready for bigger trucks as they start to build out these large parcels. You never want to be the engineer that puts something in the ground that needs to come out 2 to 5 to 10 years later. So when you come out here and you see concrete go in the ground and you know that they've designed it to last for half a century, that's a good feeling when it looks good going in and you say this will be around for a while. This is going to be something that a lot of people are going to come and see and use and hopefully enjoy.
There's no question that this project has had its challenges. There were those times that we just weren't sure if it could get done. But once the funding was secured and on the table, our relationship with SEH and development design, we knew from then on that we were going to pull it together one way or another. That doesn't mean we haven't had challenges, but those challenges have been rewarding to overcome.